here is how you can get the iPhone layout on the Android phone. Let me guide you through it and explain how it works. If it's your first time here, subscribe and we can get started. So in order to make it work, we need to get an app from the Google Play Store, which is going to be a different launcher app. So a launcher app basically means that it's going to be it's going to give you a different way of organizing the home screen and apps and everything like that. So we can get to the Play Store and you can see I can click on join like that. Yes, and I'm going to look up into the search the thing which is the iOS launcher. So as you know, iOS is the operating system on iPhone. I can look it up like this. Plenty of ways or plenty of apps you can pick from. Most of them are going to be very similar. So I'm going to click this one, which has literally like 10 million plus downloads. So I can click on it like this and install a theme or launcher, which is going to look like an iPhone running on Android. So I'm going to click on install. It might take a while to just make that work. I can open it up like this. And essentially, it's going to guide me through it. It doesn't really need my location, I believe, right? Okay, I'm not going to give access to everything, right? But the point is that I can change the layout in here. You can see a couple of ads in there, so that's kind of interesting, right? So let me just close it out like that. But whenever I get inside of the iOS launcher, I should have the ability to set it up and set up the way it's gonna look on my phone. So yeah, I can change it up right here, but the important part is that I need to make it my default launcher. So this is the option which we are interested in. I can click on it like this and click on OK like that, and it moves me over into the settings of my phone where I change the One UI home, which is the Samsung launcher, and choose it to be the iOS one. So you can see a couple of different things which I can perhaps set up and so on. And right now, if I return back to the home screen, my phone looks like the iPhone, right? So I can no longer pull up to see the apps. It gives me the look of those apps and I can basically see the app library. It tries very hard to mimic the look of the iPhone. So some apps may look or work better than others, but that's just how it works. And that's how you can make it the official way you are using the Android phone, which mimics the look of the iPhone. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.